Can you answer my questions now? Try it. Have you been traveling lately? Can you name any wonders of the world? How do you chill out? Do you always agree with your boyfriend or girlfriend? Where was your most wonderful holiday? What is the outdoor temperature now? How often do you eat desserts? What is your weight? Do you attend any course? Did you eat any seafood last weekend? And now write down what you hear. She doesn't have experience with it. I hope you're okay. The delivery will be postponed. The insurance was very expensive. I can't work it out. And now translate. I haven't spoken with him yet, but I will. They won't buy anything. Why didn't you tell him? She doesn't want to be a part of it. Tom offered me a great job. I'll send you a postcard. We lived in Canada when we were younger. I've been living here for 20 years. We had terrible experience with them. I was just wondering if you could help me out. And now create sentences or questions from following words. Herbal, ski, deliver, already, neighborhood. Thank you. Bye-bye.